In this new video I will guide you how to write small Roman numbers in MS Word. First you need to click the insert on the top menu bar, and in the right side you need to click on the symbols and click on the more symbols. In the font section you need to select Times New Roman by dropping this drop down menu, and in the subsect form you need to select number forms, and after that you need to scroll down, and here is the small Roman number 1. Select it, click insert and close, and similarly go to the again insert and more symbols, and again select the Times New Romans and number forms, and this is the 2. Close it, and so on. You can type small Roman numbers in MS Word. However, if you think this process is too lengthy, so what you have to do is go to the home, and in the paragraph group you will see that numbers. This is the numbering, and here is the Roman number. So these are the capitals and these are the small. So type anything, for example, what is Roman number, and when you hit enter it will be Roman numbers Chronicle AG typed, and type again what you think, give a heading to the text whatever you want, and again enter, and you will see that the third Roman number is automatically typed. So in this way you can write small Roman number in MS Word. If you think this video helps your problem, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.